In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize templates in Bluehost's site builder using WonderBlocks. Whether you're building a new website or sprucing up an existing one, knowing how to effectively use templates can save you time and effort while achieving a professional look. Let's dive into the process to make your site truly stand out. First, let's get familiar with WonderBlocks, a powerful tool within Bluehost's site builder that allows you to work with content patterns and templates. WonderBlocks enables you to insert and personalize pre-made blocks and whole page layouts, all handled with the flexibility of the WordPress block editor. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Edit Site button. Clicking this will take you into the site editor, which is your hub for designing and customizing your website. At the top right corner of the site editor, you'll find the WonderBlocks button. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in WonderBlocks, you have two main options to choose from: patterns and templates. Patterns are individual, customizable sections meant to form various parts of your website. Think of these as your headers, calls to action, or even testimonial sections. They are like building blocks for your web pages. On the other hand, templates offer full-page layouts that come pre-constructed for specific purposes. Templates are a great starting point if you're looking to create an entire page with a consistent look and feel. Customizing these blocks is where the magic happens. With the Gutenberg editor integrated right into this process, you can adjust a variety of features to suit your style or brand. You can modify colors to match your theme, change the text to communicate your message, swap out images to ensure your visuals are just right, and play with fonts to find the perfect typography. The layout can also be adjusted, allowing you to rearrange elements until everything feels just right. One of the best parts about using WonderBlocks is its responsiveness. Every block or template you work on is designed to update seamlessly across different devices. So, whether someone is viewing your site on a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone, they'll get a cohesive and visually appealing experience. And there you have it, an overview of how you can use Bluehost's site builder, WonderBlocks, to customize templates for a polished and personalized website. Remember, experimentation is key. Feel free to explore the different patterns and templates, and trust your creativity to guide the way in creating something captivating for your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy site building!